This is a picture of my house that I built back in '78. I've saved a lot of fuel over the years because of efficient use of both passive and active solar collecting. This is a computer model that I created of a basic hot air solar collector. My main objective is to promote the use of these hot air solar collectors. They're beautiful in that they're quite simple. The cold air, or from the house or from outside, comes in through the duct and it goes across the duct at the bottom of the collector, and it's distributed across the whole base of the collector. The air moves up between the layers of glass and the piece of metal that's painted black. The metal gets very hot when the sun shines on it. The air gets heated up as it passes over the solar collector plates. It's collected through a slot in the top of the collector into this collecting duct at the top, and then a fan will draw it through and push the hot air down into the building when the thermostat requests heat. This video shows a slightly different model of a hot air collector. Air is being blown out through the duct on the left there at about 240 degrees, hotter than the boiling temperature of water. The air is being drawn in by a fan at about 70 degrees into this side of the collector, and it gets distributed across the collector, travels down through a series of gutter downspout pipes made out of aluminum painted black, which get very hot, and then it goes back up through the other side and it gets collected at the duct at the top and is blown out the back at about 240 degrees. This is a computer model of the Friends property with the Bassett house on the right and the meeting house straight ahead. I created this so that people could see more clearly what it might look like with solar collectors. Now we're pivoting up to the position that the morning sun rises in, and now we are tracking across the sky kind of a sun-eyed view, winter sun-eyed view of the collectors on top of the meeting house. And now we're getting over towards sunset. Wind power can be a real good complement to solar photovoltaic in that a lot of times wind is blowing when it's cloudy and stormy and at night when the sun's not shining, so it gives a more consistent supply of energy. Now we're back onto a sun-side view of the Bassett house. Sun rising, this is about midday, and now in the afternoon. The ridge of the Bassett house is the most ideal location for solar collectors, and you get about 90% of the possible sunshine. However, I feel that the city zoning board will probably not be happy at all about having solar collectors obscuring some of the slate roof. Watch out, we're going to crash through the Bassett house. Oops. I hope this has given you a better idea of what it might look like. Thank you for watching. God bless.